Hello, everybody, and welcome back. We're all back in school. It's the 8th of March 2021, and we're back in school. It is wonderful to have everybody back here. We know who we are. We've got the Grange CC way. Remember, we put our hands on our heart for the CC salute. That's confidence for ourselves to look after ourselves and consideration for the whole world around us. We are confident and considerate. We have confidence and consideration. It's a philosophy for life. Now, today I want to speak about something, and you can see it over here. It's called prudence. It's a very big word, and prudence means you don't just do things, you think about the things. And you think about them before you do them so that when you make a choice what you're going to do, and when you do what you're going to do, you do it well so that nobody gets hurt, you don't get hurt, and everybody has a good time. It is a real CC way of behaving. So, prudence, you can see in the sign over here, there's an adult holding the hand of a child and they're about to cross the road. So it's saying to anybody who's driving a car, be prudent, have prudence. Think about not going too fast in your car so you don't knock over anybody. It's also telling the people who are crossing the road, be prudent, have prudence. Think and look carefully before you cross the road. So prudence means let's all choose to be really, really safe because you know what? We are the survive and thrive generation. We've all made it through so many lockdowns. That was lockdown 3. We're going to bounce back. We're going to be brilliant with our learning. We know that kindness is strength. We've seen that we can look after each other and we can be kind to each other. We have the CC way. We are going to do brilliantly when we come back to school now. We're going to learn so well. We're going to really care about everybody. We're going to care about ourselves. We're going to do our best. We're going to be so happy to be in school, but we are going to be safe. We're going to stay in our bubble. We're going to wash our hands and we are going to keep our distance from the adults so that we can all keep everybody safe during these corona times. You can see, wonderful, we have another amazing family quiz coming up on the 30th of March. We'll make a special video to remind everybody how to log on, but it is going to be so much fun. Just like at the end of last half term, everybody at home, we were all together at the same time on our amazing quiz, which we really enjoyed. It's all through the website called Let's Localize, www.letslocalize.co.uk. That's where you log in, that's where you sign up, that's where you follow Grange School, and that's where you pledge a minute to join our quiz. If you can do that, we will be so, so happy. So who are the gold stars? Well, let's look. Yusuf and Chinea and Hala and Anais and Mariglena and Ashvi and Ali and Samaya and Aliyah and Aftab and Grace and Zach and Ridan and Timur and Arham and Karunya and Malak and Dario and Manal and Shema and Elfie and Ryan and Ashwin and Aliyah and Yoaz and Taiba and Jasim and Aishni, all of you gold stars, brilliant. Look at you in the House of Water, Karunya, nice. Grace and Zach and Santosh gets the swivel, brilliant work. Edward, and then there's Taiba from the House of Fire, Malak gets the swivel. And in the Grange House of Air, Idris, Ashvi, Chris, Shema, Elfie, Manol flies in, Isabella flies in, and Jasim gets the swivel. And in the Grange House of Earth, Abdul Jabbar, Muaz, Ryan, Aftab, Aliyah, Sophia D, Umika flying in, Dario flying in, and Partiv gets the swivel. And who are my classy class? Olida, Quina class. Look at this, over 1,000. Alan Turing class. But the swivel is Bob Marley class. Proud of you, Bob Marley class. So we've had Freddie visit the reindeers, the pot plants. So for this spring too, the classy class that wins are going to get to be able to put up their handprint on the outside of the wall of the Great Grange building. So let's be great, let's be Grange, let's be prudent, let's be safe. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Let's be safe and happy. Let's learn together, respect each other, achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.